Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple photos onto your Snapchat story at once. First, fully open Snapchat and tap on your photos memories. Now here you have to select your photos, whom you want to add to your story. After selecting the photos, you have to click on the share icon. After that you will see an option, My Story. So here you have to click on your My Story. Now click on My Story here and click on OK. Now click on the Share here. Now here you can see that these photos have been shared in our Snapchat story. In this way, you can share your multiple photos on your Snapchat story at once. Thanks for watching this video.